And I didn't even need to using my alcohol at all. You do not need it if you don't want to. It doesn't sticky to your hand, but also it doesn't like stick to your brush. So which is make it so much fun to play with. So make sure you like doing it like have a half moons. And then you can do this using this body of that silicone brush too, that is it will make a nice crease for you. So I am using a cheeky, the colors kind of a little bit peachy pink. And then this one's gonna lay on is overlap on the top of the first. We're almost there. So now if you want to stop right here, great. You don't have to continue. If you don't want to, you can put some crystals in there and then you're good to go. You know? We can put some crystal and let's flash cure this one. I'm gonna make another twist if you want to, but because I'm gonna put some crystal in here. It's flash cure. And we are going to go using is emerald to make some leaves. And I will do like some smaller leaf because the flower is big. So I'm gonna just doing some leaves so it won't be taken away.
Yeah, you know, this is relatively easier than acrylic because you don't have that time limit.
Hey, Bella. Hey, G-Nails. Nene.
With acrylic, usually when you put it down, when you put your bead down, you have to mold it right away. This thing, it only becomes solid when you cure. So you have blend out time.
Yeah, so it's just really much. It's more like friendly user for fun and beginner. Even now, me like doing good with acrylic flowers, I love playing with this because I can sit, talk, watch movie, and then still playing, and I still practice the nails, and it's not dry on me. With acrylic, if you blink your eyes, it's dry, and then it's set that you can't do anything. You have to fix it and take it off. So okay, so pick this smaller beads. And I'm gonna do it right here. Can I get some air, please? And I'm gonna turn the client's hand like this, okay? You can able to like twist your like shoulder, you can, but is it too painful for you? Don't do that. Just turn the client's finger like that. Have it up and right like this. Trust me, it's gonna be so much easier. So place it and using the tip of your silicone brush and right in the center, press it down and pull the top edges a little bit to make it looks like leaf edges right there, and just draw it a little bit.
And Nene, yes, I'm pretty sure the team sent out your price already, so just double check with whoever you asked to send that email out. They should have the tracking number for you.
Okay.
And CC, yep, IG is just weird, so just come back up and on, yeah?
Yeah, IG is weird though. I have no idea. Okay, so are you with me now? Who's doing it with me right now?
I think Debbie's still doing with you.
Debbie doing with me? Okay, Debbie, next one. Just lay in there. I don't even use anything. It doesn't stick on my brush at all. Using the tip of it, press it down first and pull it just a little bit.
Hello, Fiona. So yes, you can order from the UK. We do have a lot of people from the UK and from the European country over there. Yes, and we ship over there too. I think cost started like $35 for shipping.
So you can do that and draw just a little bit. This is perfect for beginner now.
Oh yes, and since it's the first one, so if you guys like it and you guys got the 4D gel at some point down the line and you guys wanted us to do another one, just let us know.
Yep. So if maybe I should do like we're gonna do like what we're learning and then what we need. We're gonna do that. Today the first time we're doing it like have a hands-on from all of you. So if you like it so much, we're definitely gonna really doing it together.
Yeah, we should do another one.
So this is really cool though. You can draw, you can adjusting your leaf or anything you want to in the way you prefer.
Oh, and for all of you that kind of come in mid-video, don't worry about it. We will have all the tutorials saved, and we have a backlog of a lot of stuff on our IGTV. Feel free to get in there on Facebook, on YouTube, wherever you can find us.
Okay, so now you all with me now. If
Hey, Jessica, you found a white one. So go for it, have fun, and pull it out. Instead of a Pixie flower, you're gonna have a white flower. Work just fine.
yeah, if you have a white one, you can use the white, and then we can do the white and the green. So now we have a smaller edges right here. I'm gonna just using just a little bit. I'm about excited to beside this flower. I'm excited to see Vicky teaching your mommy for the and the pumpkin. She sent me the pumpkins. Oh, you don't want to miss her live tutorial. And then earlier, Dom did really cool on the videos. I'm really enjoying it. I can't even tell which one her daughter Eden doing it, because they both did really good.
Oh yeah, and the girl was so cute.
So cute. She said, if you like, what did she say? It's so cute. All right, so using the tip of this and you guide it, this freaking tool is just perfect for that. It's not huge. Vicky shared me with the pumpkin at first, and then the second she like, oh my God, it's a perfect tool. It just really make a game changer. So I am so excited. I'm like, I don't know, I'm like so excited today with this live tutorial, but I even like more excited to see her as well.
And Fiona, so this is our 4D gel, so it will not dry until you cure them. So you have plenty of time to create your thing. If you don't like it, you can even just pull them out, just reshape them, and when you're ready to cure them, and it will become solid.
Yep. And then it's no tacky at all. You don't need to coat anything on it. It's going to be ready to go. So it's closer to the tip and then the shape. So I'm going to using a smaller. You see that I can just separate my beads to make it from a bigger to the smaller. And I place the last one here. So hope you're all with me. Let me see. He'll try to look in the comments if you need questions. You can just raise your hands, and then I will absolutely gonna stop and explain to you. Again, place the beads, and then this is do everything for you. So you need to like just you just flat it. I'm gonna show you on the side way, like here, you flat it, right? It looks like you are holding it 45 degrees, but actually it's not. I'm flattening it. The shape of the silicone will make that happen for me, so I don't have to worry about I just flatten too much. And using the tip of the silicone brush and draw like point it, making look like a leaf shape. All right, so you're happy with this, and you can add more leaf here as you wish. Like look, this one is not dry. I can make more like whatever the veins if I wish, if I want to. Absolutely. All right, so now I am going to cure this.